Ever seen a pickup so loaded it could double as a tiny vacation home? Meet the 1968 Ford F-250 Camper Special Dually with a Royal Coachman camper. This rig redefines mobile comfort. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, when I first laid eyes on the 1968 Ford F-250 Camper Special Dually with a Royal Coachman camper, I thought, this truck is the automotive equivalent of a buffet on wheels. One part muscular V8 beast, one part mobile home, and 100% guaranteed to make your friend's compact RV look like a sad parking lot ornament. I believe it's exactly that blend of rugged strength and homely comfort that makes this rig unforgettable. Now, the details. This 1968 Ford F-250 Custom Camper Special is a dually pickup powered by a 360 CI V8 engine, producing 215 horsepower and 327 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 3-speed, cruise-o-matic automatic transmission. Power flows to the rear dually axle through a Dana 60 with 3.73-to-1 gears. The truck is finished in Wimbledon white, rolling on 16-inch steel wheels, fitted with Delta Highway front and Uniroyal Laredo rear tires. Braking is handled by front and rear drums, and the rear braking components were replaced in preparation for sale. I like the most that even with a little underbody corrosion, this truck still feels like it could tow a small mountain or at least a very stubborn camper trailer. Inside, the Royal Coachman camper is an overcab paradise. It has a dining area with opposing bench seats in patterned blue vinyl, storage cabinets, residential-style outlets, overhead sconce lighting, and a kitchenette featuring a dual-basin sink, 3-burner stove, teardrop oven, and Norcold refrigerator freezer. There's even a lavatory with a commode and a detachable shower handle, plus an overcab sleeping platform that makes you feel like a king on wheels. I think what stands out is the padded dashboard and the classic AM radio. It's pure retro charm with practicality. The truck's 5-digit odometer reads 50,000 miles, though roughly 200 were added by the current owner. The alternator, gas tank, and ignition components were replaced, keeping it reliable for modern road adventures. I believe cruising in this dually while your friends struggle with their compact rigs is the kind of experience that writes stories worth telling around a campfire. And if you laughed, nodded, or thought, man, I need one of these, there's a link under the video where you can become a sponsor of our channel for just $1, cheaper than my buddy Greg's lunch on a road trip. Official website link is in the description. Sold by P. Mauto 1 to Eastern Ford Cowboy for USD $7,000, November 11, 2024.